Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. The AMF is the regulator for the financial markets in France. Started in 2003, the AMF was created as an independent public agency by the Financial Security Act. AMF brokers are highly regulated, and this ensures that the French financial market is safe, fair, and transparent. In this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Markets.com. Markets.com is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, MarketsX and MarketsEye platforms, as well as their mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with easy account opening, great educational tools, live support features, lower spreads, industry insight strategies, and more. Markets.com also provides their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into market news and analysis topics, their very own financial live streaming service, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, a variety of tradable base currency options, and more. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, Pro and Islamic accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.